our smoke bars as well as our lounge bars. We have a total of 7 pools on property as well. So to the end of the property, I'm just going to point out some areas for you. We have at the end of the property on the entertainment building, we have Garden, which is one of our reservation-only restaurants, as well as we have Mahogany, which is our open kitchen restaurant, and it is a food display. Now we do say food display in Charisma, we do not say buffet, of course, because of the length of time that each meal is allowed to stay on the line.
Okay.
It's replenished frequently. You don't have them lying there too long. Hot stays, hot, cold stays cold because of the warming concept that we have. Alright, to the end of the property we have on the beach, one of the beach locations for weddings as well as groups. And if we go upstairs, we're looking at the sky deck, and of course that's one of the key concepts that we have. Wedding locations, the sky location, beach location or the sand location, as well as the beach location. Now we're looking at Western, and Western is one. Western smoke bar. This is the first bar that you will actually see, and this is the first smoke bar that you will see. We have a total of 4 smoke bar. Now each cluster has its own smoke bar on property.
Oh, really? Interesting.
Yes.
So that's what you call the building clusters.
Yeah. So we have that area, that area.
So you wanna reschedule the
And you see that similar to going right across. Now in this section, to 10,000 variety of room categories. You're going to get a chance to see a room category to do as well.
Right.
So you will have your premium ocean view suite. You will have the smoke for those. You have your royal suite, the smoke for that as well. You have your presidential studios, the smoke for that. And you also have your 1-bedroom presidential studios within this area as well. Now, of course, we have an 8,000 and 9,000 building, the premium couple suites, and of course, that's your adult only section where you get a chance to see that. Now, each of the buildings in the premium section has a gazebo, and the gazebo has a personal concierge. I'll take you into one of that so you can actually see what is presented to your guests once they're here. Well, let me point out the Western Gourmet Corner. This is one of the areas that you can come for your paninis, you can come for your sandwiches. It does have a ice cream parlor, so just in case you want to get ice cream, if you want to get your espressos, your coffees, you can come on in. If you want to get iced tea, if you want to get water, you can come on down and you can enjoy from that. If you also want to stay here and get your cocktails, that's can be done for you as well.
What time is that open till?
And it's open at 11 o'clock.
Yep.
So right after breakfast, and it goes on till right before dinner.
Okay.
All right, so that's a brunch spot for you. So it's open along the ocean, as well as we have Garfield as well as the Palm Beach open for lunch. Okay. All right. Now the beach, we talk about the gazebos, not the gazebos, the cabanas, of course, the nest, the beach bed, all of that is for guests at no additional cost, no reservations required. If you see one and you actually like it, then you can go right ahead and get that. Now for the presidential studios, right at the front of the building, right here, we're looking at our presidential studios. On the ground floor, we have the swimming for those. The second and third floor, we have just the standard suite in that category. Now, just in case you want persons who want to book a room that has the best view, I do say go for that suite. It gives you a 1-bedroom apartment kind of feel. You have the bedroom, you have a living room separate, as well as you have a restroom separate. It is the beginning of a category that has the tub. So should you have guests who wants to have a tub, you will go for that option. Alright, so we're gonna get into Azulitas is your playhouse. We're gonna journey along just for a little bit.
Why are we standing there in that sun?
How long have you been with the company?
I am almost 2 years now.
Okay, great.
But I started out with them in 2012. They just started in Jamaica. And we started with the Sushi Beach company and we evolved into the Sensors concept. And Azul Beach Resort.
Now, did Charisma build this property, or was this another property?
This side of the property, yes.
Okay.
This is all new.
Okay.
Let's go on the other side. I'll show you. That's the original side. I will show you what it looks like and what the differences
Okay.
are.